Here's a look at your Wednesday work. Couple of things to note here. When you do open the slides, put them in presentation or press this triangle so that all of the links become live. So I had a few questions about that. Okay, so for today's work, you're required to take some video notes. And if you hit the notes link, it'll open up a document. So if you have a printer at home, go ahead and print it. But if not, it's okay. You can write them all out by hand. It's not that much writing. And work on your dream box as well. Make sure you get your 3 lessons for the week. So I put it in presentation mode, and you can see that our topic is angles, and we're going to use the relationship between angles to create 2 parallel lines cut by a transversal to find missing angles. There's a specific slide for Wednesday, and Ms. Hartman gives specific directions on that link right there. But here's the video that you'll use to take the notes. And if you want to look at this page ahead of time and see what your notes are going to look like, or if you can print, that's where you hit the link for the notes. I'll show you what they look like. So the note page will look like this, and you'll just have some fill-ins that you'll watch the video and fill in those terms. And get really used to this image where you're going to draw, if you're doing it by hand, you're going to draw a set of parallel lines, and then you're going to cut with the transversal. And then you just put the arrows at the end. So that's kind of what the basis of all this is. Parallel lines cut by a transversal. And then you'll have some more, like this little box, and then all of these images again, but they're pointing out different aspects. Like, here are the angles that this vocab word focuses on. And then here's the angles inside the parallel lines. So just pay attention that your pictures match the terms. And then you'll use these numbers in here to fill in here, a pair of corresponding angles. So that would be, they share the same position, like 4 and 8 would be corresponding angles. A pair of vertical angles. Vertical angles are right across from each other, like 5 and 7. A pair of alternate interior angles. So they're inside the parallel lines, but they alternate the transversal, like 3 and 5. A pair of alternate exterior angles. So they're outside the parallel lines, and they alternate the transversal, like 1 and 7. And then you'll have to find angle measures. So if angle 8 is 85 degrees, so right here is 85 degrees, then you should be able to find the measures of all of the angles. So all of the angles that are 85 degrees would be 8 and 6 and 4 and 2. Those are all 85 degrees. So let's see, 2, 4, 6, and then 8. Those are all 85 degrees. And then to get that other measure, you use 180 and subtract 85 from it. And then whatever you get here, that's going to go in all the rest of the angles. Hopefully it makes more sense after you go through the notes, but if you need help on this, I can go through it with you. And then a new step this week, you're going to take a picture of your notes or screenshot your notes, and then she wants you to put the picture of your notes right here. Okay, so she does want to make sure you are taking care of the notes, and there's some proof, some photographic proof here, and you put your picture of your notes on this slide. Okay, so that's today's work, the video notes, and then make sure you take a picture of them and put them on the slide, and take care of your dream box. All right.